Hi, I'm Greg Paielli with Simply Property Management. I'm the president and the broker. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about why it's important to have inspections of your rental property. There's 4 reasons. The first one is it establishes condition for your property. So if there's a problem later on down the road, we have a clear record of how your property looked on the day the tenant moved in. 2, it allows us to stay on top of maintenance issues that may or may not have been reported by the resident. Something could happen and we would never know about it. But if we do an inspection, we now know that we have to take care of it. And it also gets us a chance to take a look at the tenant and see how they're keeping the home. 3, when they do move out, if you've been doing regular inspections, the turnover is quicker. Remember, if the property doesn't have a tenant in it, you're not making cash flow on it and you're spending money. If there's a lot of damage to the property, it takes a lot longer to fix it. So you can't just go in, clean the property up and put it back on the market again. If there's a lot of damage, it takes time. By the time we get contractors in there and people to do the work and get it up and running. Fourth of all, it provides legal evidence in the event that we have to try to collect the rent or collect damages in the future. Those are the 4 main reasons that we like to do inspections. If you have any questions about this matter, please feel free to give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about it. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.